Leave a little flame on the midnight walk. Try and try again, and if you can talk, you shall find your way through darkness and cold, bringing stars into the house where tales are told. Only you can give life to dreams and spring, fragile but persevering, making shadows sing. There's nothing on earth that you could have got more precious and dear than a little part. On the way you might encounter memories of ancient times when the night brought stories. Just listen to them, they will feed your soul. Close your eyes and see through the chaos hole. Even if you break, light will always spread through all your deeds, and you'll never be dead. There's nothing on earth that you could have got more precious and dear than a little part. Dear little flame, you never broke, all the way through the midnight walk. Monsters and ghosts will fade away, and soon the night will become day. The Sun King again will wear its crown, and into its beams you might drown, leaving your spark in each living being, while true life and poetry free. There's nothing on earth that you could have got more precious and dear than a little part. There's nothing on earth that you could have got more precious and dear than a little part. More precious than